Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App for free in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid through PayPal or just managing your finances, this method will save you time and avoid those pesky fees. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure both your PayPal and Cash App accounts are set up and verified. In 2025, security is tighter than ever, so double-check that your accounts are linked to a valid bank or debit card. This step is crucial to ensure smooth transactions. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see an option to transfer funds to your linked bank account. Select the amount you want to move. Remember, this transfer from PayPal to your bank is typically free if it's to a verified account. It might take 1 to 3 business days, so plan ahead. Once the money hits your bank, head over to the Cash App. Open the app and go to the Bank tab. Link your bank account if you haven't already. It's quick and secure. Now, initiate a transfer from your bank to Cash App. In 2025, Cash App has made this even easier with instant options, and as long as you're using a linked account, there are no fees. A quick tip. Always check for any promotional offers or updates in the apps, as methods can vary slightly. Also, keep an eye on transaction limits. PayPal might cap daily transfers, so break it up if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money from PayPal to Cash App without spending a dime on fees. This process is straightforward and empowers you to manage your money more flexibly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.